Okay, I think that's the Burner Brigade. I'm talking about HF radios, so they're obviously all licensed amateurs. So we've got this MAAS MAAS. Is it something 8040? Can't read this writing on it. KCB8040 Colonia. They're from about 2017. They're quite an entry model set, but you know what? After servicing this, the performance is really good. I am expecting this to work very well indeed on the air test. It's not often we see sets which are modern and work this well. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, we'll go to the extension speaker.
Roger, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. So, of course, it's 80 channel, and we'll have to faff to do AM, because although I'm legally allowed to do that, with it being CE approved, it was designed before 2014. Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger.
And 2014 being the year which the UK were allowed finally by Europe to have AM on CPT, but only with CE approved sets, preferably after 2014, but this would be okay. So we'll come to that at the 5 mile point. Oh, he's got a Roger bleep. That's going to annoy him, isn't it?
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger on that, got you the end of the lane.
Okay.
I'm going to have to listen to this. It says BP, or does it mean something else? See what the instruction book says.
Service station 158.9 and 189.9, I think. No, it's 154.9, 189.9, sorry.
Well, 205.7, like we just saw it, gone a bit more.
Yeah, for diesel. It's always expensive there. No wonder they're planning some sort of, I think one of these, we don't like fuel being too high price-wise protesters are going to be blocking the A1 there. See how that goes.
Roger Dodger. I found a feature on this radio.
Da-de-da, again that's K, isn't it?
Roger.
This is Roger K. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger Diddley Dodger.
So it's not Fidelity 1000 today.
No, it's not to Roger Bleep, it's hand operated on the mic.
Yeah, Roger. Does it have a single beep? You do Morse code again? Or did you do Morse code?
Do that with the tone switch. That one the other day had got that, the team set, but this isn't the team.
Roger, so it wasn't a Roger K, it was just you doing K on the tones.
Yeah, Roger.
Right, we've now passed the top of the hill. We'll go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you to the top of the hill.
Not sure why the car coming to the well is flashing me like nobody's business.
Perhaps there's some coppers down at Scratchy Corner.
A bit south, I don't see any. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got your loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On the MAAS, MAAS, that is, and it's a KCB8040 Colonia, which is a MultiNorm radio, AM FM, from about 2017, over.
Roger that, all received, no problems. I have to say the audio's quite nice.
Roger on that, like it's one of these cheapest sets, and we've often found this, that some of the £59.95 sets work so much better than the £270 sets.
Roger that. Yeah, I mean, it sounds a little bit processed like some of these more modern sets do, but it's plenty loud enough and it's clear, you know.
Well, he's certainly doing the deviation, he's doing full forward output.
Roger. Yeah, I'll just wait to say what I'm going to say. Right, we're just going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Yeah, but like some sets can do full deviation, but they seem to have low gain, so they're not that loud, you know. Whereas this has got the volume.
Roger on that. Well, we'll see what it's like at the 5 mile point. But of course, it doesn't have low power test. It does AM FM, but it's not. I've got to mess about going into another country code. It is difficult on that set to do this.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Well, you're the Kelby turn. It's a Peter MAAS, the owner of the company.
It's what? Say again, you was breaking up there.
Peter MAAS is the owner of the company. So that you were looking about MAAS earlier, but the owner is a gentleman by the name of Peter.
Oh, yeah, the trucking company was somebody else, France MAAS or something.
Roger.
Like somebody from the Netherlands type area, so there may be a viewer who will be able to tell us about Peter MAAS. It's not somebody I'm aware of, but the MAAS name seems familiar.
Our address is here, Elsdorf.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger on that, got you the Grayleys turn.
Did you say Elsdorf?
Yeah, Roger. Is it Happendorfer Strasse 23?
Well, it's certainly Germanic with the Strasse, but is that Netherlands or Germany?
Germany the importer.
Oh right, it's German. Okay, fair enough.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. I'm on this MAAS KCB8040 Colonia set from anything between 2011 and 2017. It's doing full forward output, and I'm on the factory original microphone. We're going to go over to CBT FM, and I'll do a reprogram over.
Roger that, I'll see you 31.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yep, that's fine. We'll go to AM.
Roger, I'll press the right button this time and not 919 button.
Roger. Tango 21 on CPT AM.
Yep, roger that. A little bit noisier than CPT FM, but yeah, you're loud and clear.
Yeah, roger on that. I'll see you back on UK.
Roger.
Tango 21 back on UK.
Yep, roger that, all received.
You go when you're ready.
Roger.
Roger, got you the 5 mile points. I'm on this MAAS KCB8040 Colonia set from anything between 2011 and 2017. It's doing full 4 watts output, and I'm on the factory original microphone. We're going to go over to CPT FM and I'll do a reprogram over.
Roger, that'll be your 31.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yep, that's fine. We'll go over to AM.
Roger, I'll press the right button this time and not 919 button.
Roger. Tango 21 on CPT AM.
Yeah, Roger, that's a little bit noisier than CPT FM, but you're loud and clear.
Yeah, Roger on that. See you back on UK.
Roger.
Tango 21 back on UK.
Yep, Roger, that all received.
Off you go when you're ready.
Okay.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Right, same as yesterday, 154.9 and 189.7.
Roger, that, thank you, that worked really well.
Roger that, 1010.
10-10. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a special price for me, please? At that end today, over.
Right, same as yesterday, 154.9 and 189.7.
Roger on that, thank you. That worked really well.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. See, that was nice. And even though it was made before we could have it on AM for CPT, it's easy to transfer to a different mode. So that was putting a different country code in there. We'll go over to our base station, see what that sounds like. It's typical that, you know, the £59 sets work so well.
Tango 21, testing the MAAS KCB8040 Colonia into our Midland 76900 base station using a factory original line. They're only doing 4 watts, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'll press this silly bleep thing. There we go, that's a silly bleep. Tomorrow I don't know what we're doing. Probably got a baby Midland of some type of my own. So thanks for watching the MAAS KCB8040 from about 2017.